Who's up for a hike today? Oh, mind you, the humidity is also 100%. Yeah, time for a hike. Well, good afternoon, folks. It's as I mentioned previously, freaking hot out. So we are at this place. I think that's a sign for it over here. Blue Cut Nature Center. That's Route 31 over there, and surprisingly, I'm one of the persons here. But yeah, it is toasty today. Last week and the week prior to that, it's been rain, and all of a sudden, Mother Nature's like, "Whoops, dropped my beer. Oh, it's summertime. Let's crank the heat up to 100 degrees." So there's don't see the maps here. Park rules. There is an online map. I'm surprised there ain't one here. You got restrooms, a little pavilion kind of thing over there. Oh. I guess the trail's over here. Again, this is Blue Cut Nature Center. I don't know how long the trail is or what, so I guess surprise me. Oh, and the heat index is 107 degrees, by the way. We're hotter than Florida right now. The recording of this video, June 23rd, 2025, you can look it up. There's a heat dome, pretty much is what they're calling it. A heat dome centered over the East Coast now, where before it was a rain dome, now it's a heat dome. Why is it always got to be domes? So, anyway, all this week it's going to be mid upper 90s. So, yippee. Summer is finally here, just like that. Remember last week? Today it's yeah, and the jokes will probably get stupid as the heat gets to you. Tomorrow morning's agenda, while it's cool out, I'm gonna hit that Montezuma Wildlife Refuge. Is the plan for tomorrow before it gets too hot. Even right now, it's still in the 90s. It's 7 o'clock at night, in the evening, and it's still 90 something. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get any sleep tonight. It's kind of not comfortable to sleep when it's like 80 degrees and humid. Maybe a trail down there. Yeah. Let's stay on the main path. Yeah, we're gonna have to come back to that later. There's a party going on over there. There's another pavilion or something over there. That's where everybody is right now. I'm not gonna intrude on them. So let's go see where this other trail goes, maybe. If it's a trail. Yeah, I don't know. If it's mowed, then it's a trail, right? Yeah, it's mowed. Alright, we'll take our first looks down here, I guess. Yeah, if you hear any talking, it's from that party over there, so. It's nope rope. Again, the trails are not named right. There's a number 9 hiding in there. The fragrance is pretty interesting. Looks like there may have been a view in the wintertime. Yeah, I can't see much. This feels like a deer trail. It looks like one too. Again, this part would normally be mowed, except the fact that it's so sloppy in here. As I said a week ago, there was rain, rain, rain. Now it's bake, bake, bake. Oh, that got me a minute. What is going on? The problem is with this new guy working, he sends text on all channels, even though it's not directed to me. It's me and 3 other people getting updates for what happens tomorrow, which I am not part of tomorrow, so I'm still gonna get those updates because it's a group chat. Yeah, this dead ends right here. Again, in the winter time, this would probably be a nice view, but with all this growing up here. Alright, well, I tried. It's too warm to stand in the sun. Take one. Now, let's go see where this goes. The other trail I just on, that last clip ended it, just brought us back into the picnic area where that party is. This must be some kind of nature trail. Yeah, stuff written in the trees. You look on the ground, like you see a number 3. Oh, why? Sounds like it's some kind of nature trail. There's a number 2 sign coming up. Why? Why is this stuff out here? Number 2. Do not trust these QR codes. Scammers have developed a way to cheat you. So keep that in mind when out in the open like this. Creepy vines in this tree. Look, there's one behind it in the background too. Oh my god, what's wrong with this forest? This is kind of creepy. I kind of don't want to be on this trail. It's just stuff out of horror movies. Oh, look at these creepy vines climbing all these trees and you were never seen again. Chop, 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 cut, 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 cut. Does anybody today even know what that's from? Comment down below. Why not? Just shows your age. Yeah. Here's another QR code just randomly stapled to a tree. This is a creepy forest. What is this up here? Okay. Why is this even the thing? It's a music station. Yeah, that ain't disturbing to pee. It'd be disturbing if it's like at night. Why? What's going on here? Mother Nature, what are you doing here? What is this? What is this? My head's starting to hurt. What is this trail? I'm scared. This trail is not normal, folks. Not at all. Look, another QR code. Please tell me you're seeing it and it's not the heat getting to me. Oh, this one doesn't have a QR code. It actually has a thing. Black cherry. Yeah, pause me if you want. You might be able to, that might be able to be legible. Again, I'm staying at Cayuga Lake Campground, and we're westbound today and not eastbound because, oh, there's your first trail marker. And we're back out. Okay, we're back out of scary, creepy woods. So this is all gonna be one video, I guess. Oh, that's where the people are having their party. You can kind of still see them, but things are coming. So, as I was saying, so because we couldn't get into the usual spot and decided to come westbound, it was the only spot available that I could actually do this week, so decided to head west. I was going to work down the Empire State Trail, but that time I booked stuff, the temperature wasn't supposed to be in the 90s better, so I'm scared still. So anyway, this is one big trail. I don't know where this end goes. Apparently it goes this way. I guess I'm going the right way. Don't know how long it is or anything either, so. I guess the arrow means this way. What the? Yeah, you might want to bring your bug spray on this trail also. I'm getting mosquito vibes. I hear a familiar noise. Can you? It's number 11. No, that means rail tracks. Oh wow, we're pretty close to the train, huh? Oh, I can see it right here. realize I was that close to the railroad tracks. We shouldn't hear a horn. It's not the Empire State Trail, so we should be all right on the horns. Interesting how the trail leads to the tracks. Oh. Got a little culvert here. Nice flowing creek. Looks like a good fishing spot, maybe. Oh, I hear a train. There's a train in the culvert. Oh, let's go. I might stand here for a second. This is probably inland right back at... Yep. Answered your own question. Do it again. What the? Life is broken. The world's broke. You're all in a simulation. What's that called? The glitch in the Matrix? Watch this. Bet you it lands right back to that leaf. At least wind's picking up. I don't know if that's trying to just went by or there's one actually coming on its way. Just waiting here for it. So at Junction 10, I'll take you down to the little fishing area, I guess, and there are tracks right there. Again, Western New York's got a lot of nice little hidden train watching spots for sure. So Yeah, well, I didn't hear any more sign of train and waited 15 minutes and kind of want to get this hike done. It's about a half-hour drive to where I'm camping, so, and I don't know how long the trails are. And I've mentioned these before on Empire State Trail, but old concrete railroad fence posts. Hang on a minute. Got a bit of a steep uphill climb right after that little spot. So pretty much the hillside you see along the way. Yeah, you'll have to climb it, and it's pretty steep. Keep that in mind if you want to do the entire loop trail, we'll call it. Oh, it's too hot for this. Looks like a short climb though, so. We get a little bit of break for our next climb. There's also a trail that goes that way too. Curious what's over here. Number 9. I hope those ain't my. No, the trail ends here. Yeah. Trail ends here. I don't know if that's a roof of a structure or water. Oh no, that's a car. That's houses. That's a road. Alright. So, the trail ends at number 9 sign. It hasn't been maintained since then. Those that want to go exploring, feel free to, I guess. I'm out of breath because I can't get my air back. Because it's like 100% humidity and it's still in the 90s. So you get to hear me huff and puff all the way back. Trail. Second trail marker I found. Now there's another side chute here. Yeah, I'm curious. Why not? We're here. We're only here once. That answers our question. There's a bus. It's a parking lot below us. Mosquitoes are horrid on this trail. Yeah, so that's some sort of parking lot. Okay. Here's out to some sort of picnic area. Interesting. Open access center. Well, I'll look around out here for a minute, I guess. Caution rifle range. That's safe to know. Yeah, it looks like we have to hike back the same way we came in at. Yeah. Alright. So here's the building. Well, that's good to know. Help is here. Made it back to where we diverged from the trail. That last joke was so bad the camera even said nope. So I don't know how much the last clip is saved. So up that way, halfway up this hill, well, right after the bench actually. That takes you to another picnic area, about a quarter mile. And we're gonna climb the hill. Oh my goodness. That hill is steep. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Pretty stiff grade. Oh. Nice little hike though. Feels like I'm heading back to the parking lot now. Well, at least we got rid of the disturbingness at the beginning of the video. Oh, got a sign coming up here. Sign number 5. Firing range. Great. Fantastic. Lee County Firing Range. The big. Look for the thing that doesn't look right. The orange sign. Yeah, these are not markers, mile markers, because that's 3. So, oh, this used to have steps. This hill was so steep. This had steps. Dead hawk. What kind of Adirondack mountaineering do we have going on here? See, there's another sign. 2. Sign number 2. So we might be close to something. Oh, that one's furry. Furry vines. The steps are way over here. The trail's way over here. We'll come up to something that looks like. So with the way those steps are all rotten and mismatched, this has been here a while. A couple of decades at least. Opposite trail junction. Alright, we're gonna go that way. Yeah. Okay, so I know where we are. We went across here. There should be a sign down here actually. Oh, check this out while we're at it. Because we originally were down here. This is right after that creepy trail. We went by here. Where's that sign? Should be another blue sign right around here. Yeah, remember that thing? The arrow in the tree saying go that way? That's probably why. It'll be a little easier. So, there's that. And we just come out of here. And now we're going to go this way. Make it a loop. And now we're heading back to the parking lot. At least you got benches along the way. I guess there's another trail up there. I see a bench and a sign 14. Yeah, so I don't know how to get up there because I clearly went all the routes. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe that's an old abandoned trail because that bench don't look like it's in the best shape. But also right next to it, there's a sign that says 14. So I don't know. I don't see. Oh, I missed the trail going that way, but here's where that other pavilion area was when we first started the episode that had the party going on. Looks like they're long gone now. Yep, alright. This is where we end the episode. It's right down there is when we first started the video, right after the note rope. The nope rope. We went to that clearing and didn't see much because the stuff was growing so high. And then, here, I'll get out here a little more. I can see what I'm showing you right here. This is the way back to the parking lot. What? Dude's like, I thought everybody left. So this is like a little picnic area here. I don't see a cooking grill. I used to have a cooking grill. It has a water pump, which I don't think works anymore from the looks of it. Yeah, so I'm broke. This is, again, this has been here a long time. So we come out of there on the other side of that shelter, and right where that creepy Stephen King novel thing is, that's where we're going to take one. That's the creepy trail, and this is the area where everybody was. There used to be a cooking grill, but not anymore. And I don't see any else other ones around here, so keep that in mind. Bring your own barbecue. And the trail actually comes out over here. I'm hoping that deer took its cue and took off. Yeah, speaking of it, there it goes. Well, I was supposed to run. Oh yeah, I was supposed to be afraid of people. Oh, is this the other trail right here? So we never did come all the way in here. Well, it's gonna have to be another episode then. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, that's where it is. That's how you didn't see it. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, there's a trail right there. Alright. Yeah, we'll have to save that for another day. Again, temperature extremes today is kind of, you know, keep things to a minimum. That's why we're not doing the Empire State Trail today. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoy that little bit of a hike. And Blue Cut Nature Center, I think we are. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna go someplace and cool down a little bit.